Ariel and the Stolen Sea Star. Once upon a time in the sparkling underwater kingdom of Atlantica, Princess Ariel was busily preparing for the annual undersea holiday. The entire kingdom was buzzing with excitement as the sea star, a magical symbol of peace and unity in Atlantica, was set to be displayed at the Grand Festival. As Ariel swam through the colorful coral gardens, she suddenly noticed that the sea star was missing from its usual place. Determined to retrieve the sea star, Ariel embarked on a journey through the dark and mysterious corners of the ocean. She swam past sunken shipwrecks, dodged dangerous sea creatures, and even braved the glowing jellyfish guardian that protected the deepest secrets of the sea. As she ventured deeper into the ocean, Ariel finally came upon a secluded cave where she found the sea star in the possession of a lonely sea dragon. The dragon, with its scales shimmering in the dim light, looked up at Ariel with big, sad eyes. "Why did you take the sea star?" Ariel asked gently, trying to understand the dragon's motives. The sea dragon, unused to kindness from others, explained that it had taken the sea star in the hopes of bringing warmth and light to its desolate home. It had seen the sea star's radiant glow from afar and longed for the sense of peace and unity that it symbolized. Rather than scolding the dragon for its actions, Ariel felt a wave of compassion wash over her. She could see the loneliness and sadness in the dragon's eyes and knew that it was only looking for a sense of belonging. With a warm smile, Ariel extended her hand to the sea dragon. "Would you like to come with me to Atlantica's celebration? We can share the sea star's light and warmth together." Touched by Ariel's kindness, the sea dragon hesitantly accepted her offer. As they swam side by side towards Atlantica, the sea dragon's scales began to glow even brighter, casting a warm and radiant light around them. When they finally arrived at the festival, the entire kingdom was amazed by the sea dragon's luminous presence. The sea star was returned to its rightful place, shining even brighter with the dragon's added glow. The festival was a dazzling display of light, color, and joy as the sea dragon danced and twirled through the water, spreading happiness and unity wherever it went. The sea creatures of Atlantica, once wary of the dragon, now welcomed it with open fins and tails. As the night sky above them twinkled with stars, Ariel knew that the sea dragon had found a new family in the kingdom of Atlantica. Together they celebrated the undersea holiday in harmony and happiness, with the magical sea star shining brightly overhead as a symbol of peace and unity for all. And so, the underwater kingdom of Atlantica was filled with love, joy, and the spirit of togetherness, all thanks to the kindness and compassion of Princess Ariel.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.